Hey fam, it's Sam. Welcome to our mini vlog. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami as we visit Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park. Matagal na rin akong hindi nakakabalik dito, kaya naisipan namin na bumisita ulit. This time, kasama si Jana. First stop namin, dinaanan namin ang Rizal Shrine. As you can see, maraming local photographers sa paligid, so perfect spot talaga for quick pics. Next stop, pumunta kami sa Chinese Garden. Good news, walang entrance fee so you can roam freely inside. Napansin din namin na may restroom malapit sa entrance which is super convenient. Ang ganda ng vibe dito, sariwa ang hangin, malawak yung space, and hindi rin masyadong matao when we visited. Perfect for tambay, walking, or even picnic. May malinis din na CR sa loob, though hindi ko na siya na video. And that's it for today's mini vlog. I hope you enjoyed this short trip with us. See you on our next video.